Have you ever felt like you've tried everything to lose weight, counting calories, hitting the gym, cutting carbs, and still feel stuck? What if I told you there are hidden secrets most people overlook that could make all the difference? Stick around, because not only will I share 5 uncommon tips to jumpstart your weight loss, but I'll also reveal a bonus secret at the end that might just surprise you. Secret number 1, focus on NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, ***. We all know exercise is key to weight loss, but did you know that simply moving more throughout the day can burn as many calories as a workout? This is called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Things like fidgeting, taking the stairs, gardening, or even pacing while on the phone can add up to hundreds of calories burned daily. A 2018 study published in Frontiers in Physiology found that increasing daily NEAT can significantly contribute to weight management. So, if the gym isn't your thing, focus on small, active habits like taking short walking breaks or stretching at your desk. Secret number 2, optimize your sleep environment, ***. It's not just about how many hours you sleep but the quality of your sleep. Research from the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine shows that poor sleep disrupts hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness. This can lead to overeating, even if you don't realize it. To improve your sleep, try keeping your room cool, dark, and free from blue light from screens at least an hour before bed. You could also experiment with calming bedtime routines like reading or meditation to help signal your body that it's time to wind down. Secret number 3, cold exposure for fat burning, ***. Did you know your body can burn fat just to keep you warm? This process, called thermogenesis, can be activated through cold exposure. Studies in cell metabolism highlight how cold exposure activates brown fat, a type of fat that helps burn calories. You don't need to plunge into an icy lake to see results. Simple steps like taking cold showers, drinking cold water, or spending 10 to 15 minutes in a cool environment can help your body switch on this natural fat-burning process. Secret number 4, eat mindfully, not quickly, ***. How you eat is just as important as what you eat. Slowing down your meals and chewing thoroughly allows your brain to register fullness before you overeat. A 2022 study in Nutrients found that mindful eating reduces calorie intake and improves digestion and satisfaction. Start by eliminating distractions like TV or your phone while eating. Focus on the textures, flavors, and aromas of your food. This simple habit not only helps with portion control but also enhances your overall eating experience. Secret number 5, protein timing for metabolism boost, ***. Protein is crucial for weight loss, but the timing of your intake matters. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that consuming protein-rich foods in the morning boosts metabolism and reduces cravings later in the day. A high-protein breakfast stabilizes blood sugar levels and keeps you energized. Easy options include eggs, Greek yogurt, or even a protein shake. Make breakfast a priority and set the tone for a more controlled appetite throughout the day. Bonus secret, train your taste buds with a 30-day challenge, ***. Here's the bonus secret, your taste buds can be retrained in just 30 days to prefer healthier foods. By cutting out added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and processed snacks for a month, you'll notice natural foods like fruits and vegetables start to taste sweeter and more enjoyable. According to a study in Appetite, this adaptation creates a lasting impact on your eating habits, making it easier to choose healthier options over time. Pair this challenge with exploring new recipes to make the process exciting and rewarding. So there you have it, 5 hidden weight loss secrets, plus 1 extra tip to help transform your relationship with food. From boosting your NEAT and fine-tuning your sleep to embracing cold exposure, mindful eating, and protein timing, these strategies dive into the science of sustainable weight loss and offer a fresh perspective. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might need these insights. Remember, weight loss isn't a one-size-fits-all journey, but progress starts with small, intentional changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.